Introducing land for sale in beautiful Honea Path, South Carolina. Explore the possibilities on this picturesque 10-acre tract. This beautiful property both offers a perfect blend of rural charm and convenient access to both Anderson and Greenville. Whether you're looking for a place for your horses to roam, a mini farm, or you're planning a private estate, a weekend getaway, or a small development, this land offers incredible flexibility to make those dreams a reality. For more information, contact us today and schedule your personal showing.